Let me see. Hi guys, I recently bought this Garnier Hyaluronic Acid sheet mask. The only reason why I bought this sheet mask is that it comes in two parts. The lower part has the liquid hyaluronic acid serum and the upper part has a plain tissue. So what you'll have to do is you will have to mix both together and then apply it onto your face. So this is not like the usual face mask that we get. The usual sheet mask is already soaked in with the serum, while this we will have to mix it up. And this is the only reason why I bought this sheet mask. Okay, let's read the directions for use. Fold a sachet inwards according to the arrow lines. So you'll have to fold. I could see this arrow lines over here, the back of the packaging. So you'll have to fold it. You'll have to fold both the sides and then push the liquid until the seal opens, following the mix it arrow. Okay, so you're supposed to fold it this way and push it topwards. Let me see. Guys, can you see that? Guys, this is so interesting, guys. Now the serum has gone to the upper part and the tissue, the dry tissue, has now become wet. So it's time for me to cut open the product. Oh my god, I mixed this up. The mask fits in nicely, and let me wait for 15 minutes, and that's what it said in the packaging. Serum left on the packaging, you can apply it onto your arms and legs. It's been 15 minutes, so time to remove this mask off. Ooh, there's so much of serum on my skin. So I'm going to remove the excess serum on my skin with the tissue. The back of the packaging also said that you can either massage the excess serum in or use a tissue to remove it. I'm going to use a tissue. Okay, so this is my skin. It feels very supple and so much hydrated. I literally feel like my skin has drank all the hyaluronic acid serum. I believe it has worked, and my skin also feels a little bit plumped up. So yeah guys, this is the result. Definitely it feels plumped up, it feels hydrated, it feels moisturized. It's 9:30 right now, 9:30 p.m. and I'm gonna go to sleep with this, and that's it. So until then, I will see you in my next video. This is Mediti signing off. Bye bye, take care.
Do subscribe to Beauty Made Easy for more such videos. Thanks for watching.